Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where we show you how to use our system to its full potential. So you'd like to learn more about rejecting workflows. This is when a document received for signing gets rejected. Step 1 is to create a new workflow. Step 2 is to import the document you'd like to use. Step 3 is to click on Proceed. Step 4 is to add an action. I'm going to add myself as a signer. Step 5 is to add a signer who will receive an email to sign the current document. Step 6 is to go to DocPrepper. Step 7 is to complete your workflow, meaning placing signature fields, releasing your document, and signing. Step 8 is to view the email sent to the outstanding signer. Step 9 is to click on the View Document button and then to log in. Step 10 is to read through the instructions and then click on OK. Step 11 is to reject your document by clicking on the Reject button in the menu above. Step 12 is to add a short explanation to why you're rejecting the document. Step 13 is to click on the Submit button. That is how you reject a document. An email will be sent to the signer confirming the rejected document with the reason you supplied. For more videos like this, please visit SigniFlow.com/academy. Our link will be provided in the description below.